Try to drawing all serious today. And, if you want to paint, you have to know how to draw is what they say. So anyway, I was trying to do this, kid portrait here. To do it the right way, you really want to map out proportion early on. And I kind of did that with, scribbles. And, at this point, I thought, the eyes are too high, but, in the ear, I don't know if that was, happening or not. Face looks a little long. Tried to lower the eyes a little bit, and then just work away at details. Constantly shading the whole area so I could get those subtle differences in skin tone, blotches or whatever they call that, and worked on the nose a lot. Bounce around trying to keep the whole drawing going at kind of the same pace, so we don't have some excruciating details and then oops, that nose is in the wrong place, something like that, as if that would ever happen. And then so working on the shape and form, and also trying to get those, I thought those highlights around the mouth were really great, and try to do the hair a little, at least to say hello, I'm hair. But I think that looks like another hour and a half to do some effective hair. But anyway, that's what I ended up with, trying to draw a kid from a photo reference.